Oh, it's cheesy.
It's a what? Cheese?
Welcome back to another channel.
Another video?
Yeah.
Welcome back to another video of Universal Yums unboxing. Where are we going to this month?
The Ring of Fire.
I already know where it is.
Me too.
I picked.
Right.
Alright, so we are going to open it up and let's find out.
Yes.
To the Philippines. Oh my god, it looks really yummy. Okay. Wow, we've got lots of chips.
Lots of chips this time.
Do we need scissors or are we going to be able to open it?
We're probably going to open it.
Okay.
But I can get scissors in case.
Alright, let's just get some scissors. Hang on. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, scissors, which one? Hang on. What have we got in here? Do we have yummy stuff? Is there chocolate?
No. But I know there's cupcakes.
Alright, let's do the one that Shana wanted to try.
So we're choosing this one.
And that is, what are they?
Potato fries.
Ooh, they actually look really good. Yum. Do you want to try some, Talia?
No.
No. Ready? Okay. You're not in it.
It doesn't really taste nice when you brush your teeth.
Oh. Yeah, it wouldn't taste very nice after you brush your teeth. I don't know. What do you think?
It's okay.
I like cheese chips. I'll say yum for that one.
I say alright.
Can I? No, it's my turn to pick now. I want to try this.
Show the first.
I am. What's it? A cupcake. A cake? A cupcake. A cake. Cake. Cupcake. Let's see if I can open it with my sore hand. Okay, tear here it says. Alright. We have a chocolate one. And here it's a cheesy cheese. Oh, this is actually a mocha. A choco mocha. So it tastes like chocolate and a cappuccino. Mocha. Coffee.
Oh, I like the smell of it.
For you. And making a mess and some for me. Alright, let's try this.
I like that. It's okay.
I don't. I like coffee, but I don't like food with coffee in it.
I choose this.
Yeah. Pillows. What's that? I thought that just said lube-filled crackers. It's ube-filled crackers? But it's got something in it. Is it like soft stuff in the middle?
So,
Cookies with oud cream filling. When you think about potatoes, you probably think of eating them with steak and burgers. In the Philippines, when they think of potatoes, they think dessert, cakes, custard, candy, ice cream. Filipinos use potatoes for every type of sweet under the sun. Their favourite potato to eat for dessert. A unique purple coloured yam called ube. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Is it ube or ube? I don't know. Has mildly sweet. Mildly sweet taste. Let's try these purple things. Ready?
there's nothing inside them.
Say cheese. Cheers. They smell nice. Oh, bite it in half and see what's inside. show what's inside. Ooh, that is actually nice. Don't you like that?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll eat that then. Look at my fingers. Oh,
Try to make my water bottle,
that's actually really nice.
please.
Try to show what it tastes like. Okay. A chip with sweet fillings in the middle. I like it. Probably wouldn't go out of the way to buy it though. Okay, what do we got next? Why don't you just leave it open? Yeah. Alright. I want to try these because these are cheesy corn crunch chips. And I like the cheese ones. Yum. Let's give these ones a go. Oh, these are hot ones. These are jalapeno.
Oh, right.
Got some water, that's good.
Can you fill it up, Tyler? I'll be back. I'll open it.
It's okay.
A few moments later.
There's my water bottle. Ah,
Oh, they look like twisties.
really?
Inside.
Alright, I got that.
But they're going to be hot. Super hot.
Oh, God, it's twisty.
After you, madame. Up the smallest one. That's probably a good idea. Cheers.
Oh, gosh. As soon as my tongue touched it. But they're alright. I like them.
It tastes like green.
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 Ah, it's better than
Haven't you tasted green before? It does. It tastes like a jalapeno. And they always, jalapenos are green. And it sort of tastes like
my
a,
feelings.
did it? Like a green capsicum.
What's it for burn
No.
side? Can you still have
Oh,
to
you don't really like it, do you?
They're alright.
They're okay.
Alright,
I
my
still think the Spain box is winning. Okay, what's next?
These are not
They,
spicy ones.
What are these?
They are
Clover chips.
good.
Chili cheese flavoured corn snack. Another hot, spicy chip snack.
Just here.
Okay, let's try these chilies. One for me.
One for me.
Alright, let's go down.
Take a bigger bite, Rihanna.
Oh, put it on your mouth.
Ugh.
You didn't even try it. You gotta put it all in. Oh, they're yummy.
Yuck.
They taste like they're just really light and crunchy with a hint of heat. I'll eat them later while I watch TV.
Alright, your turn to pick.
Okay, let's go for these boy bawang baked corn. Cornic. Oh, actually, that's starting to burn my mouth. Barbecue flavoured corn things. There. You gonna read it out? Why not? It says to tear here. Let's see if I can tear it.
Packages with lots of
It
flavor.
will be easier if I didn't have a sore head. Alright,
It fell off my hoverboard.
I did. Here we go. Oh, what is that? Can you see that? It's meant to be corn. It looks brown
Just like
and stuff. Can you see?
They're alright.
Does it taste yummy?
The aftertaste doesn't really taste like this. Can I just stick this in a box?
Real, I don't like them. They're yucky. Ooh, I picked those, didn't I? Can you pick something nice next time? If there's something nice.
So I got the string. I think that's it.
Yep, extreme, and it's a chocolate cookie. Is it a biscuit?
It has, yeah, it's a biscuit.
Chocolate biscuit with chocolate coating. I don't mind if I do.
Oh gosh.
I know, they make it so hard to get in there.
No, because it's right here and you can't
Yeah,
get
and
it.
all the packages are just really hard. Or we're just really useless, either one. There you go. It's broken!
They gave us a broken one.
How dare they? Look like it's gonna break in our mouths.
Biscuit for me. They look like a bit of tin.
And a biscuit for me.
They look like a little bit.
Cheers.
Cheers.
There you go. It's got chocolate on it. Okay, there's not much.
It's like Tim Tam a little bit.
It needs more chocolate. I can't even taste the chocolate in it. You want to try it?
Yeah.
It hasn't got much flavour. I was expecting something like a Tim Tam or
Put that one to the side.
really chocolatey chocolate biscuit, but
After this, can I do another
yummy, but there should be more chocolatey.
Oh yeah.
I'm a chocoholic, so I like my chocolate. I want to try. I'm going to try the Yum bag now. Let's try this purple Manila shortbread.
Shortbread. I like shortbreads, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that one.
We got this one and we got a crumbled one. These little ones. Alright, we'll just have a bite. And it's got a lot of sugar on it.
Ooh, yay.
And crumbly.
Doesn't even look like I took a bite.
You don't take very big bites. Are you scared of food? Are you?
I'm taking little bites, so
You can't really taste it and take a little bite. You take a big one. You're like a mouse. You can open your mouth wider than that. I've seen how big your mouth is. Open. Do it. Do it for the people. Did you do it? Do it. Open. Got it. Eat it. Yum. Now you'll be able to taste it. Okay, which one did you want to do?
good one.
The next Yum bag. I'll just pop it through here. I'll do this. Stab myself then. Only got me to blame. Here we go. These look like the sour lollies. Warheads. They probably are.
There's something inside.
Yeah, of course there is. We're going to eat it. I think we've struggled with every packet that we've opened.
Got it.
Oh, you're opening that one. What's this one? This is a lime one, is it? Ooh. There's one for everyone.
Oh, it's cheesy.
It's a what? Cheese?
It says in the packet.
Oh my god, a chewy cheese candy with cheese filling. Show me what it looks like. You'd think it'd be sweet, and we're gonna have a more.
You wanna
What's it
first
called?
bite?
Oh, do I have to? I don't think cheese lollies would be nice. Mmm, yum. You try it. Put it all in your mouth.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna try it now. Then I had the tiniest bite.
Oh, no, it's really nice now.
What's this one?
If they just got rid of that cheese filling bit, it'd be fine. The outside's nice and sweet. Buck Waffle pandan flavoured chewy candy with milk filling.
And then there's that one. And sweet corn flavored cherry candy with
Butter flavoured filling. And they're called Mr. Maze.
Mr. May.
It's, yeah. Sweet corn flavoured.
I don't think I want to try
candy.
them.
Let's try the sweet corn.
Sweet corn.
I've still got it stuck in my teeth. Alright, yeah, I've already got it. Oh, it tastes like corn.
Really?
Mm.
Oh, it smells like
I
it too.
don't know. Corn. Mmm.
Yeah.
They're horrible. Okay, this is the Mr. Boko Pandan. I don't know what that is.
Oh,
It's okay.
I want to show it. So what's
Fine.
the feeling?
The filling is milk filling.
Oh, no, that one.
I don't know what Bucko Pandan is, if I'm saying it right. But it's got milk filling. You want me to try first? Again. I'm just not eating it. I've got to review stuff, I've got to eat it. Very, very chewy. You love it, don't you? It's probably the best one out of them so far. I'll eat the rest of that. That one's not too bad. Cheese one was
Right.
yuck. The filling was horrible, but then once the filling disappeared,
My tongue looks blue.
it is blue.
What?
Because you're gonna die.
Well, it's from this.
No? Mine's not blue. You're a lizard.
Yay.
Yeah, well, the cheese one was yuck. I didn't really go much on the Philippine one.
Where's that Philippine post?
This one, yeah.
I reckon the best one was probably the.
I like these. I have to say,
I have to say that's the winner.
you like them ones? The cheesy, spicy ones.
Wait, because I don't have toothpaste in my mouth anymore. Can I try it?
Which one? The first ones?
Yeah. Oh no, that's not it.
Yeah, these are the potato fries. These are the ones we tried first. You said you can't taste it. Yeah.
Oh, that.
This is the one Shana wanted to try. And Daddy. And I wouldn't let him open it until we did this.
Yeah.
They're your favourite?
Yeah.
They're not too bad. These ones here would be my favourite. They're really light and fluffy, like sort of like a prawn cracker, prawn chip, but cheesy. And these weren't too bad. They're different, so that'll be
Yeah. That one probably.
the. No, I like this. This was probably runner up for me. I didn't like that's most unusual cheese and corn lollies. Good. But yeah, no. Spain's still up there. Spain
Yeah.
the best box so far.
Spain's here. What's this one again?
Philippines is
Here.
here
Probably.
for me.
Here. Until the next one comes.
The clue to next month's box, which is on the way now. Okay, so the clue to next month's box. In the land of the palms, they've got it all. Jungles and dances and lots of football. And let's not forget all the yums you can taste. Sweet bread, hot peppers and creamy nut paste.
I have a feeling it's probably going to come from America.
Do you?
Yeah.
A bit quicker this time.
Yeah.
Thanks, Philippines. Thank you.
It was yum.
It was okay. I didn't
The best one was the potato fries. I like.
I'll probably eat the shortbreads later and the clover chips, and
I didn't like the shortbreads.
everyone else can polish whatever they want off.
Yeah. Well,
I'm happy.
give this video a thumbs up.
If you enjoyed it.
Comment down below if you have any questions. And subscribe.
To see more videos.
And turn on the post notification bell on. Is that right?
I don't know, you're talking.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks guys.
Bye.
See ya.